The plane has arrived at its destination. Routine maintenance is imminent. Intelligence Developing R&C take apart Jumbojet. This is a multi-purpose remote control toy with 1 electric drills. It is a set of disassembly and assembly, remote control operation mode, children's early education in one of the multifunctional airplane, which is the great ideal choice for parent-child education entertainment. It can one-click forward, backward, and turns. The chubby shape will sway when moving. Meantime, the turbines on the wings on both sides will rotate. It has voice and story buttons, which can let the children learn more when they are playing. Educational and remote control function could develop the children's ability and realize a combination of education with entertainment.